This wedding was billed as the do of the season. Actor Rajkumar Rao tied the knot with his longtime girlfriend Patrulekha on the 15th of November. It was a typical big fat Indian wedding at a resort outside Chandigarh. After deafening silence last year, wedding bells are ringing loud and clear this November and December. With COVID restrictions loosened, invites are again going out and crowds are gathering to celebrate weddings. And importantly, the cash registers are also ringing again. Trade body CAIT estimates 25 lakh weddings will happen this wedding season, which began on the 14th of November and will last till 13th of December. The Traders Association claims that revenue from these weddings will be a whopping 3 lakh crore rupees. 1.5 lakh weddings are likely in Delhi alone and will create a business of 50,000 crore rupees. Importantly, this money will flow into businesses hit hard by recent lockdowns. These include sectors as varied as textiles, jewelry, house repairs, caterers, hotels and banquet halls, flower decorations and travel.
The items which are going to be getting good business includes the tapestry, the furnishing fabric, golden jewelry, footwear, then gift items, and then again sweets, toys, and so many other things what all required in a wedding. And of course, beside this, it is going to give much big business to banquet halls, farmhouses, hotels, restaurants and all these people. Of course, to the catering service, and it is certainly going to give temporary employment to lakhs of people.
Another sector reaping the rewards of the post-COVID bloom is the hotel industry. Already on a high thanks to revenge travel, hotels and their wedding venues are fully booked for the next few months. This is especially true for hotspots like Goa, Udaipur, Jaipur, Kodaikanal in Kerala, which are popular for destination weddings. Some of the top hotel brands have even stopped taking bookings for weddings and other events.
People want to get married and they want to have elaborate weddings. People wanting to get married last year had like mini monies, but now want to have a more elaborate event. They are also coming up. So it's more like a pent-up demand. So the growth that we are seeing and witnessing at this point in time is not just an attribution of what was postponed from last year, but also what was to happen this year as well.
International travel has also received a boost, with more and more countries reopening their doors to Indian travelers. And with domestic airlines also ramping up their frequencies, wedding parties have more options to choose from to splurge and do their share for the economy. With Chetan Bhutani, Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.